It's Intense 5 time. Let's go. The Billboard Awards were on this week, and Drake has officially received the most Billboard Awards ever. Really cool. Big up Drake and big up Cardi B's outfit too. She was on fire,
all of them. Yep. Kingston earned more than $1 billion from Carnival this year. Full flights and full hotels. I hear they're even going to see if additional flights can be put on next year.
Wow. Remy Ma was released from jail after posting bail following her altercation with love and hip-hop star Britney Taylor. Miss Taylor, however, isn't letting the rapper off easy. She's going to sue Remy. Wow.
So, Instagram is running a little test in Canada where your followers won't be able to see how many likes your posts get. Yeah, you'll be the only person able to see it. They say they're doing it to see the reaction of people. Not sure how long they'll conduct the experiment, but you know, the influencers aren't happy at all.
I agree with what they're doing because I feel like people buy into likes too much, and it's like everybody's just like, oh, if I don't get this amount of likes, then I'm not popping. So I really, and then if the influencers that have their brands and that the brands that endorse them because of the amount of followers they get, if they're still seeing the amount of likes they get, then them can always, you know, have them look at portfolio and say, oh, you know, I generate this
some
amount
form
of
of
likes.
traction.
Exactly. So I don't see the big deal. But anyway, finally holding the spot this week, a state of emergency declared in St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland for at least 14 days. Hopefully, this helps the crime situation. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense on Facebook and the Gram.